Talk about sketchy. Woo. Risk it for the biscuit, baby. What do you guys think, guys? Did you do this to go to your fishing spot? Go through all this sketchy stuff? Or are you skipping? How am I gonna do this? You know what? Screw it. Oh, I barely made it. Oh God. Alright, we're here. Did all this for no fish. Let's see if I can get back around though, guys. Oh, this looks so shady. Ah, screw it. Oh no. Alright, let's see. Without breaking a foot or a rod, can I get out of here? I think I can, folks. Whew. Alright. Made it.